Okay, here we are on Hanna and Azureas, and we're going to be looking at one of the pump stations. Now how much water is flowing out of there?
32 million gallons daily, non-stop. Has been introduced to the Los Gatos since the freeway was built. So you look at it, we're almost pushing 40 years. This has been released. This has been adding sustainability to fisheries since the introduction of the freeway. So the neat thing is you'll see the fish and the other species drawn to the flows here, and it creates a little sanctuary further downstream. This place is known to sustain steelhead trout all the way down to the bay. So, see what I'm talking about? Down the gate. Huh.
This is a memorial to the old Del Monte factory workers. It's been put in place here from the old Del Monte factory that used to be here. So this is a nice little park to come to if you just want to come, and this is a nice place for the day.
So much vegetation, can't even open the door. I need to take care of these. This out.
All right. Ah. Oh yeah.
Steelhead trout will try to go up there. And the neat thing is the city of San Jose has identified finding underneath the storm drain system the trout. They actually go up these things. I can show you the source. I got this already videoed before.
So the source of this is from the pump station across 280. On the other side of 280.
280 off of the bird exchange.
Okay.
Now the other one, which is just 150 yards. 150 yards from that one is right behind the parking lot of the Children's Discovery Museum. And we're going to go there right now.
Okay. A mammoth discovery. Okay, and this pump station is from what then? From where does this water come?
This water is coming from underneath the exchange, underneath the 87 exchange to 680. And mostly it's the exchange that takes you west to San Francisco to 680, 280.
Down into the tunnels.
This on my model, the ramp.
Well, I can't hear you.
should be set up for recovery for the salmon. And that's what we will be displaying on the website. For people to understand how much potential we have for recovery, not just the salmon, all the indigenous species that live in the Guadalupe River system, as well as the coyote, because the coyote also does the